Hey there, Barbie Figueroa here, and in this video I am going to take us on a trip down memory lane because I'm going to share with you the different things that I've tried online to make money online. And the one thing that if you are spinning your wheels or you're trying to figure it out, maybe you're trying to start a business, you're trying to make money online, but you just don't know where exactly to start. What I want to do is I want to share some of the pitfalls that I went through and overcame, and the one thing you have got to know how to do if you want to make money online. So if that's something that you want to learn more about, then keep on watching. All right, so let's get right into it. Let me give you some backstory as to how I ended up online to begin with. And that was when I was working 9 to 5. I was working a construction job. And even though I loved the construction industry, I wanted to have a family. And in order to do that, I needed to be present. And I wanted to be present for my family. I wanted to be present for my husband and for my future children. And the job just wasn't going to allow me to do that. So I needed to find a way to work from home. So I saw an opportunity to work from home, answering phones for big corporations. And I ended up being super duper blessed to be able to work for one of those companies where I was able to be a stay-at-home operator while I started to, grow a family from home. But it definitely was not easy because basically, even though I was home, it was still a job, right? So being in a job means that you are trading your time for money. So that means if you have to physically be somewhere to make money, that means that you do not have the time to be present for other things. So I was like, okay, great. Step one, I'm home. But how do I now, free myself from being on my computer all day so that I could make money even when I'm not on my computer? Because that was the only way that I could see that I could actually spend time with my child, spend time with my husband, if I could still make money even when I was not on my computer. So what I did was I tried thinking, okay, what else could I possibly do? Let me go to eBay. Let me try eBay, right? So I went to eBay. I started, trying to sell stuff. It didn't really work because I was missing this one ingredient that I'm going to share with you in just a minute. I was missing that ingredient. And because I didn't know that I was missing that, here I was trying to sell stuff that other people were selling, and they were selling it like hotcakes, yet I was there struggling to sell it. So what was that thing? Well, I started to observe people that were successful on eBay, on that platform. And what I realized was they had like a theme. They had like a vibe. They had like what now I understand to know is they had like a brand, right? They were branding themselves as the store to buy from or the person to buy from. And I was like, okay, so maybe, just maybe if I redesign my store, if I do my listings differently and I start to study like the keyword stuff, maybe, just maybe I will actually start to make more sales. Well, lo and behold, that's exactly what I did. I observed what the successful people were doing and I applied it to my own business, and I rebranded my store. I redid my listings. I took better photos. I learned more about how to properly create a listing for eBay. And within the next 90 days, I went from 0 to silver power seller, which was absolutely incredible. So that taught me that if I wanted to be successful online, I needed to equip myself with two vital skills. And that is branding and marketing. Because unless you know branding and marketing, it doesn't matter what you do, where you go, what company you join, if you start your own business, if you're trying to venture off to sell digital products, everything boils back to marketing and branding. Everything. Now, the cool thing about marketing and branding is that it is a skill that is worth investing in. Why? Because even if opportunities go away, even if you change your mind and you're like, okay, well, I don't want to do eBay, I want to do this instead, or I want to start creating my own digital products, or I want to align with an affiliate program, or I want to join a network marketing company, whatever it is that you want to do, if you equip yourself with those basic skill sets of branding and marketing, then no matter what happens to you, you will be able to bounce back into anything you want, and you will be able to make money online no matter where you go. Have you ever heard of those people that they lose everything, right? They're in business and they lose everything, yet they bounce back. And it's because they have skills that no one can take away. Now, after I did eBay and I became a silver power seller, I had other sellers come to me and like, oh my gosh, I need to know what you're doing. I need to know why your store got so successful. Can you do the same thing for my store? And that is when I actually started my very first my business, where I controlled the cash register, which is super duper important. I controlled the cash register. I was the one that was providing the service, and I was helping people transform their stores. I was giving them that branding and marketing advice so that they could go out there and make their eBay stores successful. But after a while, I got totally tired of the eBay environment, because if you've never been on eBay, or if you've never heard, eBay has this nickname called FeeBay, because even though they got tons of traffic, the fees were outrageous, and you were still at the whim of the cash register owner, which was eBay, because if they decided they didn't like something that your store was doing, they could close down your store whenever they wanted, right? So those are some of the lessons I learned along the way as I continued to learn how to make money online and how to align business models and principles to the life I wanted to live, which was I just wanted to be present. I wanted to be able to make money even when I wasn't on my computer. And so after I left eBay, then I really learned about affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing was where I really learned about leverage and not having to trade my time for money. But guess what? Guess what I had to have? I had to have the skills in branding and marketing, because that's the only way that I could generate leads and sales and signups that would buy my affiliate programs. So all of this to tell you that everything boils down to the one thing. Remember I said that I was going to tell you one thing? Yes, it's branding and marketing, but branding and marketing boils down to one thing that you've got to have if you want to make money online. And that is skills. Skills. Because, as I'm sure you've heard, skills pay the bills. And if you want to make money online, whether it's through your own business, selling digital products, doing eBay, network marketing, affiliate marketing, anything, then the skills that you need to build first are the ones that are going to help you make the money, because you can't make the money if you don't know how to generate leads, if you don't know how to create content, if you don't know how to put yourself out there. You can have, it drives me crazy when they say, oh, the thing sells itself. No, it doesn't. It really doesn't. Even at a grocery store, like if you want to pick, like, I don't know, have you ever had like boar's head, right? Boar's head is kind of pricey. It's like the price down here they have Publix, and boar's head is like the premium type of, deli meat that you can buy. They still have to put stickers telling you that something is on sale, and they still have to do commercials. They still have to make you aware that the boar head exists, right? All that is marketing. And then the branding is how it looks, how they position it, how they make it, how they give it the reputation of being a premium deli meat. Okay, I don't know why I just, maybe I'm hungry and that's why I went down here, but the bottom line is, once you have the skill of branding and marketing, then you can sell whatever you want. Now, when I first got started, I invested $2,000 in a program that taught me 2 skills that still pay me today. So nothing is wasted when you invest in your own skill set. Because people want to sell you on the dream of making money, but they're not telling you that in order to do that, you need the skills to do that. So if you are trying to figure it all out and you're looking for a trustworthy resource that's going to help put you on the right track, right below this video in the description box, I have a link that you can check out, or you can go to risingwithbarbie.com and you are going to learn more about this resource that is going to help you build your business online the right way, so you don't have to waste any more time spinning your wheels or struggling or any of that stuff. Because let's be honest, I'm in my 50s. If you're like me, you don't have any more time to waste. You don't have any more time to dilly-dally. You need the right information and you need it now. You don't want to wait another 5, 10, 15 years to figure it out. You want to get the answers right now. And so I get it. I get it. And that's why I'm going to encourage you to check out this resource, because it's going to equip you not only with the marketing skill set, but it's also going to position you to earn if you want to share it with others. But I'm not going to get into all the details about that right now. I highly encourage you to check it out if you are ready to commit to developing the skill sets that are going to help you sell whatever you want online. And then I will also leave it in the pinned comment, so you can just click on that link right there to learn more about this resource that has really been changing the lives of so many people that are in this day and age. They need to create that extra income from home. You know what I mean? So if that sounds like something you would like to do, then I will have that link for you right below this video. So hopefully this video inspired you. Hopefully it helped you. Hopefully, like, if you have been running around like, oh my God, like, what am I going to do? Hopefully now you know that you can make as much money as you want online, but it's a journey. It's a process, and it starts with the skills. Okay? So if you want to check it out, I'll go ahead and have that link right below this video. And if this video did help you, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. So with that being said, this has been Barbie Figueroa with brandingwithbarbie.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on another video.